Awkward ka kaya if darating yung time na you'll be working with Mayor. Pero sama kayo sa isang project.
Why not? Ako, wala naman po kung ganun. I think naman also for her, it's not a big deal anymore. It's just the people online who starts making chika and starts creating conflict na wala naman na po talaga. Actually, I think masaya na rin siya and masaya na. And everyone is happy. It's just the people talaga who are making issues and tinakaskas yung bato para magkaroon ng apoy. Pero sa totoo lang, wala naman na po talagang problema. And we're all happy. And we hope that you become happy for each and every one.
Of course.
Si Joao nga, gusto raw maka-work kayo.
Oo naman. Ako, okay din ako. Actually, okay din ako to work with him. We're in good terms. Every time I see him, I make sure I give him a hug. He was part of my life. For 2 years, he was my boyfriend. And I can't take that away. I can't deny the fact that I will see him again in the future. Of course, it's a small industry. And I don't want bad blood with him.
Pero nakita na ba kayo ni Bea? I mean, nung time.
Parang hindi pa po.
Pero hindi pa kayo nakapagtrabaho before?
Second chance. Di ba? Ako yung nag-i-interview. Di ba ako yun? So, opo, yun lang po.
Pero maraming mamimiss si Senyora sa ano.
Correct.
Okay na po.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Charing.
Invite na lang po siguro.